Now that you've cleaned and lubricated your Bearcat, it's time to put it back together again. Begin by reassembling the trigger and transfer bar and set aside. Install the hammer through the hammer slot and place the pawl onto the hammer. Next, install the transfer bar and trigger assembly. Install the cylinder latch assembly. Now install the trigger and hammer pivots and tighten until snug. Place the trigger and cylinder plungers into the trigger guard, spring first. With the trigger plunger firmly pressed against the trigger, pull the trigger guard forward and seat the rear first. Install the trigger guard screw and tighten. Install the pawl spring and plunger followed by the screw. Install the mainspring strut assembly. Now cock the hammer fully and remove the disassembly pin. Pull the trigger and let the hammer fall to the loading notch. Install the grip panels and screw. Withdraw the base pin and open the gate to install the cylinder. Reinsert the base pin and be certain it's fully seated and locked into position. Pointing your Bearcat in a safe direction, perform a function check by cycling it a few times, making sure that the cylinder rotates and locks correctly and that the trigger returns in a positive manner. If everything's in good working order, you've done a great job thanks to this Ruger Tech tip.